See, in this question, how can we do it? Find the current in all the branches, means these are the different branches. Okay, in this we need to find out the current. Also, we need to find out the potential difference across AD and CE. Okay, so let's find out the current first. As you know that 10 ampere is going. Okay, so this 10 ampere is distributing in two branches, correct? So let us suppose we don't know how much current is flowing. Let us consider here I1 is flowing and here I2 is flowing, correct? Now you can see that in this I1 is flowing, and from I1 4 ampere would be outgoing. You know that incoming current would always be denoted by which sign? Positive sign. Okay, and outgoing current would always be denoted by which sign? Negative sign. So here at this node, particular A node, the 10 ampere is the incoming current and I1 and I2 are the outgoing current. And as you know, according to Kirchhoff current law, that is incoming current is equal to the outgoing current. So from node A we'll get this equation. Now move to node B. How much is the incoming current? That is I2. Okay, let us consider this one would be I3. So how much is the incoming current? I2 is the incoming current, 9 ampere, and I3 are the outgoing current. So that would be 9 plus I3, correct? Now again we'll move from node 3, node C. So in this, let us consider it as I4. So I4 and I3 are the incoming current and 2 ampere is the outgoing current, correct? Now move to node D. Node D, like suppose just imagine here I5 is current is flowing. So I5 and 5 ampere are the incoming current and I4 as the outgoing current with respect to node D, correct? Now move to node E. How much is the current moving? That is I1 is the incoming current and 4 ampere and I5 is the outgoing current, correct? Any doubt? Now we are having how many variables like I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, and we are having how many equations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5 variables and 5 equation. If we'll solve it, then we'll get the value of each current. Okay, like we can assume that I5 plus I4 is equal to 4 ampere. So put this, calculate this value of I5. I5 is how much? I4 minus 5, right? Now put this value of I5 here, that is I4 minus 5. Then there is a relationship between I4 and I3. Like you'll solve it, then you'll get all the currents. Okay, and then they said potential difference across AD and CE. AD, potential difference across AD would be, that is from A to E and E to D, right? So VAE plus VED, correct? VA is IAE into RAE and VED is IED into RED. IAE is how much? We have assumed I1, RAE is 2.5 plus IED is how much we have assumed? I5 plus RED is 4. So I1 and I5 will get from these equation, then we'll get to know about the VAD. Similarly, we can calculate VCE. VCE, like VCE would be VCB plus VBA plus VAE. Okay, then you can proceed it further.